Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you a way to make $500 and more just by uploading images. You can do it anywhere in the world. It's super easy, so let's go. So first thing I want to show you is the earnings of these people. So for one image they uploaded, they're making on average $500. So you can do that all over the world, as you can see from the Philippines, Romania, the United States, Indonesia, Kuwait, Slovakia, Spain, and the list goes on, Italy, the US again. So all over the world, completely possible to make money doing this. So let's pick an example here. Let's just take this person from the United States, random person that I'm taking. I could have picked that one from the Philippines, but let's pick that one, 234. So that person won 234 times $500. So let's pick our calculator here. 234 times 500, 117,000 USD that person made. Now we can pick that one, 324. So let's go back. 324 times 500. That person in the Philippines made $162,000 just by uploading an image. So now let me show you something else. All right, so how can you do that? It's very simple. So the first website I want to show you is called logomyway.com. So now you're going to go to logo contests. You're going to go here. So now we saw the designers and how much they made. Now we're going to check the contests. So here is how it works. You have companies that are looking for logos and they're willing to pay you to design a logo for them. And they're putting right there how much they're willing to pay you for the right logo. So that company, Music Save Lives, um, is paying you $415 if they pick your logo, the one you designed. So you can check the prices. I say 500 on average because that's pretty much on average what you can get. You can get like from what I see, it's like the lowest I see is $200, and we have $600 at the highest, 500, 400. Those are the companies that are looking for a logo right now. So what you can do, you can even check right here. Let's say you pick this one, you can check what they want. So they'll tell you what they want, like they want so they tell you what kind of company they're in. So obviously this is a music company. Things to communicate through the design. They tell you what type of design they want, what type of logo. I love going to concerts and feel community that way. So the target audience, that's super important too. So you can see if like it's for a younger audience, the logo is going to be different than if it's for an older audience. You want something more classic, but for younger people, it's going to be like vibrant, a little bit different. So, and here they tell you how they're going to use the design. So the design are going to be used on web, print media, billboards and signs, television, mugs and t-shirts. So, and they like these fonts, color and style. So they show you what type of logo and colors and style they like. So you can, take that as an example and just make your own. So here you know how many entries you had already, and there is 2 hours and 7 minutes to make an offer right here. So you can check other ones. We can go to another one just out of curiosity. This one, Challenger Cheer Elite. What is it? It's sports and recreation. Athletes 5 to 18 years old and their parent, middle class and upper class. Main logo colors are black and white with dark red as a highlight or accent color. So there you go. You have this style that they kind of like. It's going to be used on web, print media, mugs, and T-shirts. You can add a CCE into the logo in addition to the name itself. So here you go, and they tell you it's for athletes, 90% female and 10% male, and they're located in Texas. So here you have 1 day, 22 hours, and 22 minutes to make an offer, and they can pay you $600 for your logo. So I also wanted to point out that this website, Logo My Way, has been featured in Entrepreneur Magazine, CNBC, Columbus Business First, HuffPost, and Forbes. So it is kind of famous, it's well known, so you can go ahead and trust this website. So the other website, the second website that's going to pay you a little bit higher is called Design Crowd. All right, so for Design Crowd, again, you can do it all over the world. You can see United States, Philippines, India, Mongolia, and you can see how much these people have earned. So this one from the US, United States, earned $376,000. So and you have an example of what they did. You can see their portfolio and everything. So what you want to do when you get to Design Crowd, you'll go all the way at the bottom and you'll have here logo contest. So you can just go there, and here you have the companies that are looking for logos. They tell you exactly what type of company they are. So this is a bookkeeping, accounting, and tax company, financial. They're willing to pay $150 for the right logo. So here again, you can have payments in British pounds right here, and the price depends on the company. So here to 50 USD for a gym logo, over here to $40, $110, $880 for that one, Australian dollars. So if you scroll all the way to the bottom again, you can go to Logo Beats and you can check this one out as well. And you have here a fishing rod company looking for a logo. So they like, I would like to create a small round logo that says Tribeca rods. So they tell you what they want, and they're willing to pay $110 here for DJ, music producer, artist, 110 British pounds. All right, the third website that pays really, really high is called 99 Designs. And you're going to go all the way down at the bottom. First of all, it's been featured in the Vancouver Sun, the New York Times, Wall Street Journal, Forbes, the National Post. So it is super famous and super legit as well. You can go ahead. So you'll want to go to design contests. So if you go here, and here you're gonna have the latest contest, but now I want to show you the highest prize first. So here, this company paid 10,000 euros for a logo. This one, 8,000 US dollars for a logo. Another one, 7,500. So this is what you can potentially earn if you win with your logo. Now let's go to the newest first. And these were the latest one. The latest ones, $299, $299, 449 Australian dollars. Here we have 47,999 Japanese yen. Um, 569 euros for that one. So as you can see, the price can be completely different depending on where the companies are located, whether it's in Europe, the US, in Asia. It really depends what's the budget, but here is how you can make money as well with uploading your logo. So if you go here, you can check um, the company, like what they want, the requirements, what to avoid. So yeah, so you have a brief idea of what they want. So it makes it easier for you to find the perfect logo. So now you're going to tell me you don't know how to design a logo. Don't worry about it. We're going to use AI. You don't even need to create it yourself completely. You're just going to use your imagination and your eyes to pick the best logo. So let's go to that website that's going to help you. So the website you want to use that's going to generate and create logos for you completely for free and without you doing any work, it's going to be generated by AI. It's called freelogodesign.org. And let's pick a company that's looking for logo. This one, Swiss AI Experts Logo Design Contest. So what is it? Swiss AI Experts. So small and mid-sized companies from all industry, and yeah, it's pretty much reach your AI goals. So Swiss AI Experts, I don't think they have much requirements in what they want. Deliver customized AI solutions. The target audience, small and mid-sized companies from all industries. Feel free to make suggestions. So okay, so let's go here. It's called Swiss AI Experts. Let's go here. Your company name is Swiss AI Experts. So you'll go here, get started. You want to create a logo. And here, this website is gonna give you multiple logos that you can pick from. And let's say you like, let's pick one. You can choose the industry right here. So this is a finance, no, not a financing, it's an AI company. AI, so it's tech. So let's go to tech. Here, you can pick whichever logo you really like and you can tweak it and change it, customize it how you want. So I like this one. You know what? Swiss AI Experts. You can pick that one. Can change the shape. You can the shapes, the icon, the text, whatever you want to change. You can change the color here if you want. The fonts. Let's say you want that in red because it's a Swiss company. So let's go here and leave it like that. Can change whatever you want, tweak it, and when you're happy, you're gonna save, download, and you're good to go. Then you can submit your design right here and just wait for them to choose. And if you win $360. Thanks everyone for watching my video. I hope it was useful. If it was, please give me some thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here if you haven't done so. And I'll see you on the next video for a new way of making money online. See you guys.